Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Hair Serum 100 ml quantity, retails for price 720 rupees. Available on Nykaa, Myntra and almost everywhere. Made in China. Non-sponsored video. Let's see what are the claims. Protection from heat styling. Pre-wash treatment. Overnight DIY spa detangler suitable for all hair types. How to use it is a multi-purpose oil serum used before and after shampoo. You can use it for hair straightening, styling, overnight treatment. Here's the review. I'm using this serum from 1 year nearly, or I don't know, 6 months, I forget, sorry, but yes, more than 6 months. I use this only after hair wash as a detangler or as a hair serum. It smoothes out hair shaft. My hair type is low porosity, black colored straight hair. Suits really well. I needed to use 2 pumps only. I use this on damp hair. Get absorbed well. Non-sticky formula. Mild and pleasant fragrance. I like it. But there is no need of fragrance in any skincare or hair care. But it is optional. Or we can say subjective. Yes, I like the product. I may buy this again in the future, but felt little costly. The price increases day by day, but if I consider other brands, then they are not either affordable, and the quality I feel not that good. So there is high possibility that I may repurchase this one. So if you have also tried the same product, then do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. That will be really helpful. I hope the video is helpful for all of you, and please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.